In this video, we're going to see how we can add a map from Google in our website without the use of API key. Of course, this applies also if you have already a map and at some point stops working and says that you have to go and add your API key in order to have back your map in your website. Hi, my name is Stratos and I'm constantly producing video tutorials about WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So I'm going to show you the method and I'm going to apply that to some page builders, and you're going to do it yourself using these instructions. It's very easy and we're going to see how it's done. First, we're going to see an Oxygen website, and in Oxygen in version 3.7.1 we had no problem seeing our map. As you can see, this is a contact page of a website, and this page, this website has the Oxygen version 3.7.1, but when I hit here update, and sorry for the Greek language here, you will see that once this is updated, the map will not longer no longer works. So it's updated now, and let's go and refresh the page here, and we will see now that we will get an error right here. It says Google Map Platform rejects your request, so I have to use an API key to authenticate the request. Let's go to the page. So I'm going to go and edit the page, and I'm going to edit that with Oxygen. Okay, and in here I'm going to grab the straight away the address of the point that I want to show in my map. You don't have explicitly to use an address. You can use also the name of the company if they have a My Business account in Google. So let's go here and see. They have only the address, and sorry again for the Greek. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to delete the Google Maps element. And then I'm going to add here, and I'm going to use a code block element. So in Oxygen, you can use the code block element. So you can go to PHP, and here you are going to paste the HTML code that we're going to find. So let's go to Google Maps, and here I'm going to paste the address that I grabbed. Again, you can use the name of the company if they have a My Business account. So here is the point that the map is showing me. So I have to go here that says share, and then I have to go and say click the embed a map, and then I'm going to copy the link element. So I'm going to copy that here. Remember that if you don't like the zoom, you can first find the zoom that you want, so get closer or go back, and once you are in the zoom that you want, then click the copy HTML element. Okay, so let's go back to our Oxygen, and here is the page. So here is the PHP that it says. I'm going to delete that and I'm going to paste the iframe that I got, the HTML element. So once you are in here, you will see that the map is showing, but let's save that and see how it looks in the front end. You will see that it's not looking good, but we're going to fix that. Let's see how it looks. This is how it looks right at the moment. So we're going to do two things. First, we're going to go and edit the code a little bit. Just two things I'm going to change. And let's go here that says width. And here with 600 pixel, I'm going to change that to 100%. So I'm going to say that I want full width of the element. And here for the height, I do like the 600 pixels more. If you like that, stay with that. Remember that you do have to have quotas after the number in order to work. But if something breaks, you can go ahead and copy the code again from the Google Maps website. So this is now how it looks. It will not, you will not see any difference except maybe from the height. As you can see, this is 450 and we're going for 600 pixels. So it will be a little taller, but as you can see, it's now not full width 100%. I have to go back to the element and I have to go to the advanced sizing and spacing and then go into width and click 100%, and here I need the percentage. Now if I save, I can go and refresh and I will see that it's full width. Now in order to have it in full width in Oxygen, you have to go first in the section, structure section, and if you haven't, you have to go into the section advanced sizing and spacing and put here full width, and also go and remove the padding from the container. If you do that, then you will have a full width inside a section, and this is how you want to do it if you like this layout, the full width layout. And that was all we have finished from Oxygen. So I'm going to close that and let's see how we can do that in Elementor. So I'm going to add here, I'm going to add a section. And here, of course, I want the content to be full width, but I'm going to do those later on to see the differences. And I'm going to add here an HTML element, HTML. Okay, I'm going to paste the HTML. I'm going to paste the code inside the HTML. And of course, I have to go and change the height to 100%. Sorry, the height is 600, not 100%. 600 and the width from 600 to be 100%. 100%. Okay, I'm going to update that because I do like to save frequently. And then I'm going back to the page. I'm going to select the section. I'm going to select the content to be full width. And then I can go into the, let's update that. And I'm going to this section because we do have some spaces here. Let's go and see how it looks in the front end. Preview the changes. And you have a little bit of space here. You cannot see it right away, but you have a little bit of space. So if you want to remove the space, you can stretch this section and hit update. And you're good to go. So let's close Elementor also. And I haven't copied the code with the changes, so I have to do all over those changes again. Now here we are in Cadence theme. We have the Gutenberg editor, and we're going to use the Gutenberg. So I'm going to click add, and I'm going to add here a row element because I think I have Cadence blocks, but let's see. No, I don't have. So if you don't have Cadence block, it doesn't matter. You're going to put here an custom HTML, and here I'm going to paste that. I'm going to update, and let's go and view the page. And as I can see, this is the map. So I have to go back, and I have to go and change the normal suspects, which is the width to be 100%. And the height to be 600. Okay, let's update that and see how it looks in the front end. Of course, this will not go full width because I don't have the Cadence blocks to go full width in this template. So I cannot do anything better than that in this particular website. But if you have the Cadence blocks, then you can go add a row and then select the row to be full width, and you will get the job done. Let's close the Cadence and let's go to the next one, which is the Brizy. Okay, let's see what we are going to use in Brizy. Sorry for that. Okay, let's go to the add first the section. Let's go to blocks. I haven't used Brizy for so long. Okay, so we're going to add here, create your own blog. So we have this row, and I'm going to click add now, and I'm going to add an HTML element. Okay, we don't have an HTML element, so adding a text will be fine. Adding a text and pasting the code, and then go here and change that to 100% and 600 pixels. And let's copy that just to have it for the next builder. I'm going to update that, and let's preview the page here. And this is how it looks at the moment. So I can go into the section, and I can go into the settings, and I can select here to be full width. Okay, let's update that and see how it looks in the front end. Okay, great. This is how I wanted that. So let's close that also. And now into bricks. So we're going to add the container. Inside the container, I'm going to add a text element. And in the text, I'm going to click the text, and I'm going to content and then text. Here, I'm going to add the HTML and paste that. So when you paste inside the text, this is a bug. You have to click the visual and then the text again to see the changes. And keep in mind that you have to do sometimes more than once. So once you do that, you will see the map here. But as you can see, it's not full width, even though I have set the width to be 100%. So I have to go to the container first. I have to select that to be stretched first. And then once the container is stretched, I have to go into the text again, select the style, and go into the layout and select here for the width to be 100, and then click the pixels and go for percentage. After that, let's save that and see how it looks in the front end. and we have a map that is full width. So that was my video, guys. This is how you can add a map in your website without using any API. You just add the iframe from the Google Maps and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.